What's going on, my friend? Garrett Berry here. Chances are you're watching this video because you're researching the email processing system. Maybe you want to know, is it legitimate? Is it worth partnering your hard-earned money into? Well, inside of this video, I'm hoping to really expose to you the truth about this program and what you need to know to make an informed decision. By the end of the video, you're going to know whether or not this is right for you, whether or not you want to partner with this, and how, if you do decide to join, if you do decide to get started, how to best start so you can hit the ground running and make as much money as possible. So real quick, I'm on my Facebook right now. It's Garrett Berry, and I'm, right here I shared the results that I'm actually been able to get using email processing system. At the time of recording this at that day, I had made $425 that day. Then the day before that, I made $550. And again, this is just using the 100 pre-written ads that everyone gets access to, posting them on my Facebook, on my Instagram, having people go to my website and then sign up and making 100% commissions, okay? And this is the results that I've been blessed to get. Now, I want to share with you, a lot of people were asking me, can it be worldwide? Can they, is it worldwide? Can they be from all over the world and do this? And the answer is yes. That's one of the beauties of this exact system. This is why I love it so much, because I've been in other systems in the past where you had to be either in the United States or Canada, and it wasn't worldwide. But the fact that it doesn't matter where you are located, where you are in the world, if you have a smartphone and a Wi-Fi connection, you can actually do this, okay? So how exactly does it work? Again, it's very simple. All we do is we just post, copy, paste ads on social media. Again, Instagram, Facebook, Craigslist, YouTube. When people respond to those ads and they join, like, so for example, I'll share you the example. So when I posted this, okay, this result, I got people, if I zoom in, I got people commenting. Okay, it's loading. Computer's a little bit slow right now, but basically there we go. I got people commenting info, okay? Give me one sec, there we go. Okay, so when I did this post, this person, info for this right now, info, okay? And all I did was I just sent them my website. Now you may be wondering, well, Garrett, I don't have a website, or I don't know how to create a website. Well, the beauty is when you join my team, and there's gonna be a link directly below in the description. Everyone who joins my team gets full training and coaching from my 4 years of online experience being full-time. I actually, as you may have seen, some of the results I've been blessed to help other people get. Unlike other leaders online, I pride myself on really showing people how to do it, right? I reach out to them personally, and I take them by the hand and share with them every single step that I'm personally doing to create results in about an hour a day, very, very easily. So basically, I just sent them the website, and when you join through me at the link below, you're going to be able to create or have a website created for you that looks exactly like the website that I'm using. So for example, here's my website, and at the link below, you're going to be able to see this website as well. So when you're ready to join, you're basically going to click the link below, go to this page, and then there's going to be 3 levels. And again, your website's going to look exactly like mine, okay? So the fact that I'm getting results, there's no, I'm not doing anything different than you'll be doing, and so there's no reason you can't also see some pretty good results. And again, just real quick, since I'm on here, there's 3 levels, okay? And I have a link right here that you can click to see the differences between the levels. Each level offers a different thing, but basically the basic level is going to be basic training. It's pretty good, but you're only going to make $25 a referral, okay? We get paid 100% commission, so you can only make the money at the level you're at. So if you're at the basic level, you're only going to be able to make $25 per referral. So if you want to make $100 a day, you need 4 people. If you want to make $100 a day and you join at the pro level, which is the most popular level, not only do you get access to all the other training, but you make $100 per referral, okay? So you would only need 1 person to join a day to make $100 versus 4 people at the $25 level. And at the $100 level, you get, again, all the training as well as automation training, so you can start making money on autopilot. You're not going to have to be on your computer all day. You can literally set this up in such a way that after about 30 minutes to an hour a day, you can close your laptop, you can put away your smartphone, and you can just relax with your friends and family, laughing, smiling as you check your phone, seeing notifications of more commissions flowing in, okay? So it's absolutely powerful. Again, here are the details. You can go check it out. But basically, that's all I did, and that's what I teach my team to do. Now, a lot of people also wonder, well, when I decide to get started today, am I going to get support? And the beauty is we actually have right here a private Facebook group that every new member gets added to. And whenever they get added to it, we're constantly getting new members. Please welcome, this to the team. New member here, welcome, another member. So we're constantly getting new members joining the team. And whenever people ask questions, either myself, here's a result, they made $25. People are just seeing tons of results every single day with this. But basically, also, this is a support group. So if you ever have a question, if you're going through the powerful online video training that you get and you're going and maybe you're just like, there's one tweak you need, or you want to know exactly what to do. I mean, it's pretty over the shoulder, step by step. But let's say, for example, you just had a question, simply go to our group, post a question, and either myself or one of the other leaders is going to quickly get back to you answering, so you can get that tweak you need to start making even more money. Okay, so I just want to share this video. A lot of people were wondering about my email processing system team, how to get started with it, some of the results my teammates are getting. So if you want to get started today, again, it's a one-time investment no matter what level. And I highly recommend the $100 level. Everyone who's serious can either borrow that money, sell an item on Craigslist. You can get the $100, invest it one time, and the training inside is going to pay you tenfold. I mean, we have people from all over the world, 18 years old to 80, with no prior technical ability, no prior marketing experience, have been able to just come in, hit the ground running, and make their first $50, make their first $100, make their first $1,000 week online. And so it's absolutely incredible. And we have more results you'll be able to see here. Like, these are what people have actually said who's joined me. This Scott guy right here, he was working at Toyota, okay, which is a selling cars, I believe. And basically, because of the training, he was able to put in his 2-week notice and quit his job because he was making more money working with me and than he was at his job. Okay, and you'll be able to watch that video if you want. But anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching. Go to the link below, get started if you're interested, and I look forward to working with you. Thanks so much, and I'll see you very soon.